Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser in Vivo Y21S. And to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and try to download any app. As you can see, the downloads starts, but it's in the pending and it's stuck like this forever. We can cancel it for now and move on to the browser. Here, if you try to refresh any already open web page or try to reach new one, you got this error. And to fix both of them, let's open our settings. Right here in the bottom you should find System. Go for date and time and enable to set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same game, it should begin now. And the same is with Google Chrome, so we can try to reach the same website or open new one. And as you can see, it works also great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.